All right, I'm just out of another winning SPX 0DTE trade, and I wanted to walk through my process. Now, before the trading day begins, I always refer to the daily forecast from alphacrunching.com. Alphacrunching.com provides a daily forecast for SPX. All of these charts are available before the trading week begins. This is the forecast for Friday, the week of May 1st. So today is May 5th. And here we have the time of day from the open, 9:30 a.m. to the close, 4 p.m. These are in Eastern time. And it shows the intraday seasonality move over the last few weeks for SPX. And so over the last several weeks, it tends to be higher from open to close. Basically, today we're going into Friday saying, hey, the market tends to be positive. It's a little choppy, but ultimately ends up higher towards the end of the day. So I'm already going to the day with a bullish bias. And then what I use for real-time market, I like to look at market net flow. Today, market net flow from TradeIdix was bullish. TFC, or time frame continuity, was green as well. So ultimately, I'm looking at a bullish trade. So here was the market today. It's not over yet. We still have another couple hours in the day. I'm already out of my trade. We did have a large gap up from Apple earnings, and ultimately the market kind of pushed higher. And what I was looking to do is enter into put credit spreads on a pullback or consolidation. I ended up entering the put credit spread here. This was about noon or so, and I sold the 4100 put and bought the 4095 put credit spread for a net credit of 70. The idea here was, yeah, maybe we could pull back a little bit more, and I would look to add to that position with the idea that 4100 should be a solid level. And over the course of, let's say, an hour or so, this is a 3-minute chart, I bought the spread back for 20 cents, netting me a $50 or 50-cent profit per contract. This was at 13.27. That's 127, entered at about 12. So let's call it an hour and 15 minutes. And if we look at the Alpha Crunching forecast again, the reason why I waited, because a lot of times when the forecast is just projecting a 5-point move, this can be a little bit inconsistent. Obviously, the market rallied up really hard today, much more than 5 points. So we wanted to let that settle, but ultimately we knew that this was going to be a bullish day. And with our bullish confirmation of the options market, everything worked out in our favor. So I'm out of the trade. Let me know what you think about this type of trading, and I'll see you in the next video.